Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. We're cooking on the Kudu grill today. As I film this, it's Mother's Day, and we're gonna have a group of people over, and we're doing some just burgers and dogs for the family. And because I'm doing it on the Kudu, doing a wood-fired cook, I'll bring you guys along. Be a little bit different footage than what you normally see, so hopefully you enjoy it. Guys, let's go inside and prep some burgers. Alright guys, you know the story. We're just gonna make some balls here. Some burger balls. I like to pre-smash mine. Not really do smash burgers, but I kind of press them out some. This is 85-15 ground round. Let's see how many burgers we can get out of this. I got some extra back here just in case we need it. Alright guys, this ain't rocket science. We'll take another one of these and mash them out. Get them ready for the grill. Let me finish these up, and we'll decide on a seasoning to use. Because I did do some of this off camera, I did want to show you. I'm using this Buffalo Trace from Weber, the bourbon. We call it the Buffalo Trace whiskey flavored seasoning. So I've used this before on here. Or if I think I used it on burgers. I ain't 100% sure. But I'm gonna do it again because I think it goes good. I'll season the other side when we get them on the grill. Guys, I got a pretty good bed of coals now. I threw some more wood on top just to keep her going. Now I got some oak and hickory, and I threw a little mesquite in there. That'll throw a little extra bold flavor on these burgers. So we're gonna get this thing going. I'm gonna keep it right about there. I think it's gonna be plenty. Alright guys, let's get the stars of the show going here. I might need to come down a little bit. We can adjust that if we need to. A little bit more seasoning on the other side. Get the smoke out of my eye. Burgers over wood fire. Nice. Should be a fine temperature. Yeah, looks pretty good right there. We'll leave it right there for now. Alright guys, I think we're about there. Give these guys a flip. We'll try to make a little bit more room while we're at it. That looks good. About perfect. I can't squeeze these other three on here. Marvelous. And a little extra seasoning for them. Alright guys, we're gonna throw some cheese on some of these. Not all of them. And get a little cheese melt there. Voila. Alright, I'm gonna get some of these off of here. I got 3 here that still need to cook a little bit more. We'll finish that up. I'm gonna go in there and get the family fed, guys. Oh, it's hot. And I don't know if we're gonna do a taste test on this, guys. I got too much noise, too many people. So I'll check in with you here in just a little bit. All right, boys, little burger's good. Good stuff. Good stuff. What do you think, Dad?
Really good.
All right, Mama. All right, guys. All right, guys, let me come out here and finish this video up. I didn't do any more filming. I didn't film me making a burger. I didn't do a taste test, even though it was awesome. Burgers cooked over an open fire versus charcoal. Charcoal's good. Open fire's better, always. I normally use on the Kudu some big logs, fire logs, and get a good fire going when I cook on it. But I did the chunks this time, and it did come up to temperature and become some good charcoal. Whole lot faster. It only took about 45 minutes. But be sure you got some extra wood chunks, because I lost heat sooner than I should have. So my fault, learning thing. It's all good. Burgers are awesome, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe. You know the deal. Guys, we'll see you on the next video. God bless you. And that sun's bright. Bye-bye.